In this how-to guide, we'll walk you through the process of replacing heater wire for your walk-in freezer door. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a safe and successful replacement. Step 1. Turn off the power to the door by switching off the breaker. Step 2. Remove the LED light from its base by removing the screws. Carefully disconnect the heater wire. Step 3. Remove the screws holding the threshold down to the floor or concrete. Remove the rivets on each side of the threshold with a narrow drill bit, and then lift it off. Peel back the tape that secures the heater wire to the threshold and set it aside. Step 4. Using a flat blade screwdriver, gently remove the stainless steel trim. Start at the bottom and work your way up to the top. Place the pieces of trim aside where they won't be damaged. Step 5. Once the threshold is removed, fully remove the heater wire from the door extrusion and the LED light fixture base. Dispose of the old heater wire. For this next step, you will need a new heater wire. Step 6. Feed your new heater wire through the door frame into the LED light fixture base. Step 7. Install the new heater wire in the extrusion of the door frame, where the old wire was removed. Ensure it's not pulled too tight at the bottom. Step 8. Reinstall the stainless steel trim. Clip it onto the inside of the extrusion first, then snap it into place over the outside ridge. Step 9. Reinstall the threshold, taping the heater wire along the ridge on the bottom to prevent movement and protect it from screws. Firmly insert the screws and replace the rivets on both sides of the threshold. Step 10. Caulk the sides of the threshold where it meets the extrusion, as well as the top corners of the stainless steel tracking. Step 11. Rewire the heater wire into the LED light fixture base. Once rewired, replace the light fixture. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the heater wire in your door. Remember to turn the power back on at the breaker, and your door should be ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or follow the link to our customer support.